Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like us and subscribe. Alrighty, guys. So today we're going to be using this beautiful kit from Sassy Planner Co. It is called Giving Thanks. This previous one is from Savannah Paper Co. And that one is her Autumn Fall collection, Autumn Tales collection. Sorry. Alrighty. So if you buy anything from Sassy Planner Co., you'll get 20% off and my PR freebie if you use Eileen20. And as you can see, I am really struggling with this Tombow, but I finally get it all together. And so as you can see, we started working on the side, first we did the washi, now we're working on sidebar, and we're going to be putting down day covers on my planner. This one is the TPC Nation Hybrid Planner. This one has the monthly, the weeklies, and then in between the weeklies you have 7 journaling pages. I am going to be using some date dots from Savannah Paper Co. Sorry, my apologies. And that beautiful gorgeous pen right there is from Sassy Planner Co. Absolutely love her pens. The school stickers are from Planner Frenzy, and I'm just writing out my husband's schedule and PR stuff. And I'm just working right now Monday through Tuesday, and then I was gonna just pick up the pattern because I was like, I'm always messing up the pattern for my date, not my date dots. Sorry. Anyways, I'm going to be using Metalhead Planner's YouTube stickers. Unfortunately, her shop is no longer here. Hopefully in the future she will come back. I'm also going to be using Luna Taking Out the Trash. That is from Sassy Planner Co. And also a foam sticker. Those are both from her shop. And if I haven't mentioned this before, I will link everything down below in the description box. Okay, coffee kick in. Duh. And that silver flag is from Rose Colored Days. Those are their functionals, and so I'm just gonna use that a little bit here and there, fix up some stickers. I kind of do my memory planning as it goes. As you can see, I did Saturday and Sunday, and so I just kind of put the stickers down because I kind of already knew ahead of time. The No School sticker is from Sugar Pop Fizz. The pill stickers are from Sassy Planner Co. And just gonna put a box there, and as you can see, I switched the pens because and the sleep stickers are from Sassy Planner Co. as well. Yeah, I love the way this spread turned out. I love the colors. Everything was so fun. The taco sticker was from Sassy Planner Co. as well. And I think I used one more Luna sticker on this. Oh yeah, that's for David. He has to travel somewhere. By himself. And that will do it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.